Hey, what's up, guys? I just got back to Chicago from New Orleans and Houston, where we did our 48-hour business school, and also I went to the FraserNet conference, which is a really good conference, by the way. And I had a quick thought about something I wanted to share with you regarding Stash. Stash is one of the apps that you can use to invest. It's one of the things I teach my students in the Black Business School. And the interesting thing about Stash is that Stash they've recently released debit cards, and the debit card allows you to take some money out of your portfolio and just put it on the card, and you can use it the same way you would a bank card. And I thought about it and I said, it's interesting that Stash is kind of operating a lot like a bank now. The difference is that, at least based on the way the stock market has been performing up to this point, is that instead of getting 0%, 1%, 2% interest on your savings, you're getting whatever the stock market returns, which has been pretty high, for literally the last 20 years. It's been very, very good. So basically, you think about it, what do you do with a bank? You deposit your money into your checking account. That's the money you have access to. You use the debit card. A lot of people don't even write that many checks anymore. They do electronic banking, so they don't need checks as much anymore. And then you put some money in your savings. Well, if you are pretty much a debit card user, and that's what you do, and you want to get a higher return on your savings, I almost would argue that a Stash account is almost as good as a regular bank account. At least I felt that way. I still have a bank account, but I actually like the way the Stash account kind of lays out, because I'm getting, my money's working for me. It's really growing because it's in the stock market, but at the same time, I've got the debit card, which allows me to access the funds in case I need liquidity. And that's what you want to look for as an investor, is long-term growth and short-term liquidity. So those are two of the main things that you want to seek out. So feel free to go take a look. And this is just my quick thought. I want to share that with you guys. Also, if you haven't learned to buy your first share of stock, we can show you how to buy your first share of stock and become an investor. Just go to blackmoney100.com. That's blackmoney100.com. Our goal is to get 1 million of our people to become investors. So go check that out, blackmoney100.com. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.